Hi guys, let's learn something new today. Let's learn about the unprecedented wildfires in the Arctic region. What is happening in the Arctic? The Arctic Circle, a region typically known for its chilly climate and icy landscape, is suffering from a record breaking heat wave that has sparked widespread wildfires and unprecedented greenhouse gas emissions. The most affected. Where are the areas which are most affected? Reportedly, Siberia is the epicenter of the Arctic inferno, where temperatures have reached record averages in June, with some areas seeing rises of as much as 10 degrees Celsius. 246 fires covering more than 1,400 square kilometers had been recorded in some parts of the region. The warning cry. Global temperatures in June were on par with a 2019 record, and exceptional warmth was recorded over Arctic Siberia. Russia's Arctic Siberian region saw an average rise of 5 degrees Celsius, that is more than a degree higher than the previous two warmest Junes on record in 2018 and 2019. Record-breaking aftermath. Reportedly, the fires have surpassed the record number of blazes seen in the Arctic region in the same month of last year. Fires in Siberia released an estimated 59 megatons of carbon dioxide, breaking the previous record of 53 megatons set in June 2019. So can there be a ripple effect? Arctic is one of the key drivers of global weather systems, and if you change the weather in the Arctic, you are likely to see the effects ripple out around the world, said Professor Sigurd, a glaciologist. So that's all guys. Thank you. See you in my next video.